Hello, dear friends, welcome my YouTube channel Mr. Cyber Tutor today. Let's solve a computer type in TryHackMe. That it is only use education purpose. First, question is ready to find the hidden computers? No answer needed, click correct answer. Second question is which computer type usually runs without a dedicated screen and keyboard? Computer type screen and keyboard main purpose. Laptop, yes, portable everyday computing. Desktop, yes, sustained performance at a fixed location. Workstation, yes, precision and reliability for professional tasks. Server, no, providing services to many users over a network. Second question answer is server, no, providing services to many users over a network. Server is the correct answer. Third question is what kind of computer with specialized components would one buy to carry out precision work? Workstation, yes, precision and reliability for professional tasks. Workstation answer is workstation. Correct answer. Fourth question is what is the currently most popular pocket-sized computer? Smartphone, pocket-sized computer optimized for battery life and connectivity. iPhone, Android phone. Smartphone. Smartphone is correct answer. Fifth question is what kind of computer would you expect to find in a coffee machine? Embedded computer, computer built into another device, coffee maker, controller, automatic door sensor, lamp dimmer chip. Embedded computer, correct answer. Sixth question is go through the attached static site and get the flag. View site, convert to full screen to better seen fast. Question is goal. Find all 8 hidden computers without making too many mistakes. Max 3 wrong clicks. Answer is smart TV, security cam, smart fridges, Wi-Fi router, 72. Thermostat, smart speaker, robot vacuum, smart watch. Then press the continue. Help Sophia investigate why her laptop overheats. Desktop stationary but powerful cooling. Large fans, airflow space. Tower cooler. Laptop portable but thermally limited. Tiny fan. Heat pipes. Heat sink. Press continue. Sophia wonders, what keeps these servers running? Online. Power A connected. Power B connected. Both on, then off, one off, both off. Offline. Press continue. Gabriel's final challenge. Match each job to the right tool. 0/3 match jobs to match. Edit 4K video all day. Answer is Workstation Pro hardware. Host a website 24/7. Answer is server always on. Ring when button press. Computer types. Answer is embedded 1 job. Press continue. Question 1 of 5. Why do laptops throttle more than desktops? Answer is B, less cooling space. Question 2 of 5. What does server redundancy prevent? Answer is B, single point of failure. Question 3 of 5. Why do smartphones last longer on battery than laptops? Answer is B, optimized for efficiency. Question 4 of 5. Which feature is more common in workstations? Answer is B, ECC RAM and certified drivers. Question 5 of 5. In many smart homes, what coordinates devices? Answer is C, hub or cloud services. Your flag is THM 8_ computer_ types. Copy this and paste here. Final question is room complete. No answer needed. Click correct answer. Well done. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, press the bell icon.